Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn kissing alone. Start by using the back of your hand or your arm as a practice surface. Gently press your lips against it, mimicking a soft kiss. Focus on varying the pressure and the angle of your head slightly. Try different speeds, from slow and lingering to quicker pecks, to understand the sensations involved. This helps build muscle memory and control. Once comfortable with basic lip movements, you can begin practicing French kissing techniques. Gently extend your tongue and touch it to your hand or arm. Imagine a soft, swirling motion, not too forceful. The key is to coordinate your lip pressure with your tongue's movement, making it feel natural and fluid. Practice varying the intensity and depth of your tongue's involvement. To make your practice more realistic, try using a soft fruit like a peach or a plum. Its texture can simulate the feel of another person's lips. As you practice, close your eyes and imagine you are kissing someone. Focus on subtle head tilts and how your breathing might change. This mental visualization helps you connect the physical actions with the emotional experience of kissing. Regular practice is crucial for building muscle memory and confidence. Don't rush the process. Instead, focus on relaxing and enjoying the exploration of these sensations. Remember, kissing is about connection and feeling comfortable. By understanding the mechanics and practicing alone, you'll feel much more prepared and confident when the time comes to share a real kiss with someone special.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.